Today we're going to take a look at a kit by DEWALT. This is the 8-tool combo pack. This is a great kit to get. For starters, you're getting 2 batteries. These are the 2 amp hour batteries. They got the power meter on the front. Next, we've got the 1/4-inch impact driver. This is a really good one. We've got the belt clip on the side, quick bit change on the front, 3 LED lights. Awesome driver. Next, you got a drill with 2 modes of speed. You've got the clutch, so you can really hone in how much torque you want delivered to those screws. Next, we've got the D-handle grinder. This is a great grinder to have. I've had this for years. I've had this whole kit for years. This can cut metal. You can cut all kinds of stuff. You can sand with this thing. Just an all-around great little grinder to have. Then we've got some demolition stuff. We've got the recip saw, or a sawzall like we all like to call them. This is a great tool. You can put the blade in here in 4 different directions. Depending on what you're cutting, you can flip that blade around 4 different ways. DEWALT's giving you a brushless multi-tool. This is the XR version. We've got 3 modes of speed down on the bottom here. I'm really surprised they're getting a brushless model with this kit, but they are, so bonus. This is great for doing all kinds of things. You got the quick blade change on the front, LED light. This is going to allow you to do plunge cuts. Really great for cutting drywall, doing flush cuts, all that kind of stuff. Next, we've got a Orbital Sander. I love this sander, cordless. It's got variable speed. You've got dust collection. You can actually get a connector from DEWALT that hooks onto a vacuum that screws right onto this. This just undoes and comes off. Gotta be careful because of the dust. So super easy to hook a vacuum up to this, as well as just use the bag. I love this sander. We've got a circular saw. This is a great saw. This is one of my go-to saws. 391 6.5-inch circ saw. You got a metal base. I love using the Diablo blades on it. You've got the adjustable base as well. Super easy saw to use, nice and light, great for cutting overhead if you're working on the roof. This has definitely been my go-to saw out of all my circular saws. And last, we got a vacuum. This is their 1/2-gallon wet dry vac. Really handy. This comes off. You can get into small nooks and crannies. It does not come with any other attachments. This is how you get it. But on the front, it sucks over here as well, so you can get into carpet, flat surfaces, whatever you want to do. Again, you can use this to suck up water as well. This kit also comes with 2 large contractor bags. They'll look something like this, but a lot bigger. I've got mine in use right now, but you get 2 bags, put all this jazz in, and you're good to go. All right, guys, I hope this overview was helpful. Until next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.